Hi everyone, welcome back to Chef J Cooks.
Today I'll be making stir-fried tofu and vegetables. It's a deliciously simple stir-fried of tofu, vegetables, and a savory soy sauce blend. Tear the tofu into bite-sized pieces and microwave for 2 minutes to remove excess moisture. Finally, shred the carrot. Wash and cut the spinach into bite-sized pieces. Heat sesame oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the tofu and cook until lightly browned. Remove from the pan and set aside on a plate. In the same pan, add the carrot and spinach and stir-fry until slightly softened. Push the vegetables to one side of the pan. Pour in the beaten egg and stir-fry until lightly scrambled. Return the tofu to the pan. Add the sake, soy sauce, and salt and pepper. Stir well to coat everything evenly. Transfer to a plate and serve. I hope you enjoy this stir-fried tofu and vegetables.
いただきます。
At the end of this 14-day series, all recipes with links to the videos will be packaged in a downloadable PDF. Stay tuned for details on how to get it. Pressing tofu helps it hold its shape and absorb flavors more easily. You can cook tofu without pressing it, but the results depend on the dish. For stews and soups, pressing is not necessary because the tofu will naturally soak up the broth flavor as it cooks. For dishes like tofu steak or tofu katsu, pressing is important to remove excess moisture, giving the tofu a firmer texture and helping it stay intact. In some recipes, skipping the pressing step can make the tofu too soft or watery, which may dilute its flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.